Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I've got a quick one for you today, how to add more windshield wiper fluid to your vehicle. First things first, you gotta pop the hood. Don't know how to do that yet? Look down in the description, I'll put a link to that video first. But if you do know how to pop the hood, you should be where I'm at right here. Don't put water in here. You need to use windshield wiper fluid. And at your auto parts store, this stuff will be super inexpensive. Next, you wanna look around in your vehicle. Washer fluid right here. Here's a newer vehicle, same thing though, just has a round cap. Pull up to open up the cap. And if you look from the side, you should be able to tell how high that windshield wiper fluid is. Now, if you're watching this video, yours is probably empty. Simply add the amount you need. Close up the cap. And you're all set to go. Simple as that, my friends. Hey, if you want to watch a bunch more videos on the basics of how vehicles work, how to add fluids, check the fluids, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Hey, give this video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it a bunch, and we'll see you next time.